Mr. Kapasi believed that his life was failure and longed for something more. He developed a fantasy about the possibility of a deep romantic friendship between him and Mrs. Das. This in both of Mr. Kapasi's job as a tour guide and an interpreter for a doctor. He acted as a communicator if there was any language barrier. As a tour guide, he showed mostly English speaking Europeans and Americans the sights of India. And in his work as an interpreter, he helped the patient from another region to communicate with their physician. He didn't like the way Mrs. Das having illegal relation with her husband's Punjabi friend and conceived a boy. Mr. Kapasi was ultimately unable to bridge the culture gap between him and Mrs. Das. He was unwilling to feel like a father of Mrs. Das and became indifferent to her. This is the important sketch of the character Mr. Kapasi. And another important thing is how did Mr. Kapasi views Mrs. Das in comparison to his other patients. Jampal Lahiri was born to Indian immigrants in London. Her family moved to the United States of America when she was a small child. Thus, she imitated American culture, but her roots are still in India. Mr. Kapasi found that there was a lot of differences between his patients at the clinic and Mr. Das. The first and foremost one was there was no language barrier between him and Mrs. Das. The second thing was he didn't like her having illegal relation with her husband's Punjabi friend and giving birth to baby. She didn't suffer from any kind of negligence of lack of love and affection from her husband. Moreover, she had liked him very much even before the marriage. Thus, there was no point in being disloyal to her husband. There is no point, there is no matter. When she asked him to give her an advice, he was tongue-tied. He said that he was an interpreter, but her case was totally different. At least he decided to tell her to confess the truth to Mr. Das. He wanted to explain that honesty would be the best policy. He was also ready to offer himself as a mediator between Mr. and Mrs. Das. He asked her if it was really pain she felt or it was guilty. On hearing those words, she left the place. This is the comparison of his other Mr. Kapasi views, Mr. Das. So, these are important questions wide answers and completely discussed about the interpreter of Maladies. One more thing I have said that what culture difference do you notice among the characters in Jhumpa Lahari, the interpreter of Maladies? What characters, what culture you have noticed? You have noticed Jhumpa Lahari's, the interpreter of Maladies. Actually, the very theme of all of Lahari's, the interpreter of Maladies presents a culture clash. There are culture differences that Indians have in relating to Americans and the ways in which Indian Americans are caught in the middle of two very totally different cultures. We learn quite a few details about where the Das family fits into this culture divide. Mr. and Mrs. Das were both born and raised in America, although their retired parents have now moved to India to live. Their family would visit once in every few years, bringing the children with them. They are Indians, but not of India. And their dress and manner are all American, although Mr. Kapasi recognized some common culture heritage. They are no more familiar with India than any other tourist. Mr. Das relies on a tourist guidebook to tell him about the country through which they are traveling, and Mr. Das could not be more uninterested in her surroundings if she tried. This is the characters, feelings, and culture differences. These are the main important things or questions interpreted of Maladies. Thank you so much.